logic. Now the requirement is, if the department is having more than 4 employees, then only hide the stacked canvases. Otherwise, if we have more than 4 employees, then only show the canvases, otherwise hide. So previous session what we have done, when user click the button, canvas is hide. When user click the button, canvas is displayed. Now simple logic. When user select the department, we have to find how many employees are working in that department. More than 4 members, display the canvas, otherwise hide the canvas. When user select new department, so which trigger we have to use? First we have to select what is the level. Now in this form, our requirement is department block level. Our requirement is block level. So block is confirmed, department block level. Trigger level is block level. Then what about the name of the trigger? Whenever user go to the new department, means whenever user go to the new record. Whenever user go to the new record. When user go to the new record means we use when new record instance trigger. We use when new record instance trigger. So now we are clear at what level we have to define the trigger, and we are clear which trigger is suitable for our requirement. Now requirement is, when user try to select the department also record. When user select the new record, we have to verify how many employees are exist in that department. Is it more than 4 members? Display, otherwise hide. Let's go to form builder, go to object navigator, department block, triggers, create, trigger name is when new record instance trigger. Take the department number what user has entered or whatever the department number is present. Let's try to find how many employees are exist. Select count department number into X from employee table, where department number equal to colon DPT dot department number. Simple condition, if X is greater than 4, then show the stacked canvases. Show underscore view S1, show underscore view S2, else hide underscore view S1, hide underscore view S2, and if end the row. We are going to take the department number and find, sorry, not department. If we take count employee number, no problem. That is some count employee number into some local variable, and is it more than 4 members? Show the canvas, otherwise hide the canvas. When the requirement comes like this, first we have to define what level, we have to clear what level and what trigger is suitable. Inside of the trigger we will define the logic. Now run this form. By default we don't have department number, so 0 employees in that. When I select 10th department doesn't have more than 4 members. 20 department has got more than 4 members, that's why it is displaying. 30 department also we got. 40 department we don't have. When you record instance, trigger will be fired both. When you go back and forward also it will work. That's why we are using that trigger. Whenever we go to the new record it will work. This is the advantage of stacked canvas. The purpose of stacked canvas, and when we go for stacked canvas is whenever there is a requirement, yes, I want to hide the canvas based on some requirement. Sometimes I want to show based on some requirement, then we go for stacked canvases.